Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart here at the Optimist International Michigan District fourth quarter convention here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. It was held at the Delta Marriott Hotel Conference Center, and just a beautiful afternoon getting to share my heart with everybody here, clubs from all across the state, and trying to make a difference, right? And the talk today focused on positivity, being your best self for your community, for your school, for this planet, and that it starts with each and every breath, each and every heartbeat, that we know we can really leave a positive mark on someone's heart in just 2 seconds, right? Turn our heart as big as our fist into this. One being ourself, and the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, right? But also knowing that in just 2 seconds we can change a life forever. And so we did talk a lot about the theme, one of my 4 programs, positivity. I kind of highlighted some of what I share with K through 2, grades 3 through 5, 6 to 8, high school as well. The faith-based options versus the secular that I also provide to schools all across this country, but especially here in Michigan, where I reside from, Southeast Michigan. And we really wanted to focus on the idea that having a positive attitude is so important. And it goes along with choosing optimism, which is the core of being an optimist. And you can see right here too on the Optimist Creed that we have different parts of this to look at the sunny side of everything, to really try to wear a cheerful countenance, right, wherever we go, and to really just be happy. So the goal is that we keep spreading that love, that joy to everybody that we get a chance to interact with. And what I was trying to also hammer home is to know that all that matters is our effort, right? That if we're giving our best, doing our best, then that is being our best self. That we have to know that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting, it's giving up. And to just really reinforce that whole theme, that it's just up to us to give the effort, and the outcome that we want more likely is going to follow. That's what I was trying to convey here today. And to know that being our best is not just having that positive mindset and being kind to our mind and our heart, but also encouraging others, right? And so it was just a beautiful day. Got a lot of great feedback from everybody that came up to me, said it touched their heart, and that means that they have a big heart, and now it's up to them to go share that gift that they were given today by how they're going to treat others, what legacy they want to leave with their own clubs, and just with the people in general that they interact with all across this state, and hopefully even outside of the Michigan boundaries. Again, it was a beautiful day. Never forget, you guys are miracles, like the M on all of our palms, right? M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, and like the shirt says here, keep your head up, upside down on purpose, to always remember to think positive no matter what. You guys touched my heart. Hope you have a great rest of the year with the convention side of things and your clubs going forward. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out the amazing playlist for some inspirational clips, and you can track my journey across this country via my website if you want to check that out too, as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.